So we're doing another waterfall. It's in Roberts Creek. So when you get to the Roberts Creek light, you head north and then you take a right on Day Road and you go to the end of the road and you just park there and start walking. Let's go. So the day's been sunny and overcast and back and forth, and we don't know if it's gonna rain or not, or if we'll be able to make it to the falls.
We'll make it.
It's an easy hike. It's like a 8-minute walk to the falls from the parking. Nice little path. There's a few intersecting trails, like all the trails here, but you'll figure it out. There's a few signs. The trail is marked, but the signs are high up a little bit in the trees. So you would think they would be at eye level, but they're quite a bit higher unless you're a giant. We're getting close, we can hear the waterfall. And so yeah, that's the hint. Follow the sound of the water when you're heading out here. A little bit of a zigzag trail down. All right, we're getting near the falls. Wow, you feel the water in the drops, eh?
There's a lot of water coming off that waterfall.
Yeah.
It's really a huge waterfall.
The Day Road sign. The waterfall was great. I think we would have liked a little bit more sun shining on the falls, but can't complain. It was a nice day. It didn't rain. And we're back to the car. Maybe you'll make it out here sometimes at the end of Day Road. Go with a friend, because you might get lost, and then you could have a friend to survive with.